Evening, Howie. It's new lid day. Right then, what have we got here? First of all, I'd like to thank Sports Bike Shop and Schubert for sending me this. I should hope so, because I've paid for it. Right, so disclosure. I have opened it, because I had to check it fit before I started mucking about with it. But let's have a look what we got. Ooh, steady. Okay, we got one of those. And we got one of those. So let's dispense with this. Get rid of that. Right then. So in here we should have, well, we know we have gubbins. Ooh, right then. Don't need that. Wind up, puppy. Okay. Right. Schubert bag. Same as my other one. We have a Schuberth C5. So this is modular lid. If we can do it from this angle, here we go. Standard Schuberth affair. We've got the visor. We've got chin vent, visor vent, head vent. Right. They've got this neat little thing that if you open the visor to there, and then you flip the lid, look, when you bring it back down, the visor returns to where you left it. Pin lock's already in place. Now then, what we've also got, if I can find it, is the Schuberth SC Edge intercom, which fits into that. So the lid already has the gubbins inside it, the speakers and the wiring. Here we have the intercom unit, and that fits into this space here. There's also the side control buttons. That blank slides off, that slides in. What else have we got in here? We've got a little dog, haven't we? We have the microphone, which will plug in, and a charging cable. Standard affair these days. So I believe we open this up, and then that comes out, and this, there we go, microphone installed, easy peasy. Now this does things. It's just a single connection. Right, I think you can use this. There we go. That pops off. And then in here is the connection for the wiring harness. That wobbly bit there will plug into the wobbly bit in there. Okay, all we've got to do is get the cable out. Easier said than done. I might have to come back to this a moment. I need something. Right, we're back with tools and spectacles because I'm old and blind. So I'd imagine that's just a tab that holds it in place. Oh, hang on. Right. It tells you which one to put it in, doesn't it? That one, not that one. Okay. That one. Now I know you can't see any of this, but don't worry, neither can I. Is that it? Clickety clack, well it's in. It's on. I don't want to be in pairing, I want to switch the bloody thing off. I don't want to be in GPS pairing. Step 1, switch on. Step 2, press and hold for 5 seconds. Well, there we go, it's off. Right. So yeah, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Right. We're connected, we're paired. We are now updating the language. It said select your language, American English or British English, United Kingdom English, the Queen's English. So naturally, United Kingdom English. I've got to update it. Always tense, these updates. Watch it ticking down or ticking up. Waiting for it to get to 99% and say update failed. Now I've got a chin mount coming for this. This could take about a week or so, I think, to arrive. It's always a bit awkward having a flip front with a chin mount, but I managed on the other Schuberth all right. I don't fancy a side mount. I don't like them. Silly. So chin mount it is, and we'll just have to make do with it. I've tried it on, fits fine, not a problem. That was my first worry, because they've changed the shell shape of these. The Schuberths have gone from one shape to another. I went for the size up from my other one. We can get the other one. So here we have the C3, or C3 Pro, I think as it was. Right, update in progress for the language. This is the C5. This is my old C3, C3 PO.
This is madness.
C3 Pro. I went for the size up on this one, because this one, as I said, it was about half a size too tight, I think. And this was a 54, 55. I've gone for a 56, 57, I think. Yeah, you know, it says medium 57. And this one is a small 54, 55. But they've changed the shell shape. I think that's more of an oval, and this was quite a round one. So I've tried it on, fits fine, fits perfectly. You can see this one had a chin mount. Doesn't have the funky return your visor to where it was. So, and again, the comms unit that's in here really is old hat now, so that will be consigned to the shelf somewhere. See, it's ironic, isn't it? Once you've connected it all, you can then download the instructions. Very helpful. Right, well, here we go. It's one of those quick release harnesses. Some people prefer a double D ring. I'm quite happy with these. My previous Schubert had one, so whichever. We've got the old sun visor. Here we go. Yeah. Don't get used to where the button is. Here we go. And this one is rated to be used with the chin bar in the up position. Not all of them are. So all I need to do now is install the little bit of Velcro for my DJI mic, and we're done.